Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create realistic looking Mercury model. We will use Blender Cycles rendering engine to create it. This tutorial is made for people who know at least the basics of Blender and use at least a few times Blender Cycles engine. If you just start your adventure with Blender, you might want to come back here in about 2 months or watch some of my other tutorials. Thank you for your time and sorry that I can't help you. If you are still there, it means you used Blender a couple of times and you are ready to create something awesome. So let's begin. First of all, we should delete this cube and create a sphere which will represent our planet. I would like also to name it Mercury. Now it is a good time to switch to Blender Cycles engine and create our first material. We will use diffuse shader and textures from Solar System Scope website. So move to your browser and go to this site. You can find a link to this site below. It is up to you if you use 8 or 2K photos. Whatever texture you want to use, you have to click your texture, and when it is loaded, you can save it on your desktop or wherever you want. Just click your right mouse button and select Save Image As. I have already done this, so I don't have to save it again. Now we can come back to Blender and use our texture. First, resize your timeline window. And change it to Node Editor. At this point, you can switch to render mode. As you might notice, our planet is gray, and we will change it in just a second. Move your mouse to Node Editor and add Image Texture node. Then click Open and select our previously downloaded texture. Now, add the texture coordinate node. And connect generated to vector. Finally, change 2D projection to sphere. As you can see, we just created a very basic Mercury model. However, it still looks kind of weird. To fix this, change shading to smooth. It now looks at least a little bit better. But to get rid of these sharp edges, you have to go to the modifiers and choose Subdivision Surface. Then change value of Hue subdivision to about 3 or less, and render subdivision to about 5. Now it looks better. To polish things up, we might want to increase the light strength. And make word color a little bit darker. Or even completely dark to make it most realistic. It is also good to increase exposure and decrease tile size. This tile size will increase rendering speed. Finally, we should change the camera angle and position. And now we are ready to go. I want to also increase the resolution, but I will save this photo for comparison. As you might notice, higher resolution increased the rendering time. This is it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoy. In the next part we will add normal maps and make it even more realistic. So if you are watching it in 2018, you probably can already check out the second part of this tutorial. However, if you are watching it in 2017, you might have to wait. Whether you are watching it in 2017 or 2018, you might want to subscribe my channel in order not to miss any of my videos. Thank you for your time and don't forget to leave a like if you like this video. And if you don't, feel free to give dislike. See you in the next part, Creative Game Studio.